Hello kids, let's move on with chapter 8. This chapter is not in term 2 syllabus, but this is just for the reference. A computer is an electronic machine that all we know, which performs a task based on the instructions given to it. So, this set of instructions given to a computer to carry out a task is called a program. So, program is nothing but the set of instructions. These instructions are provided to the computer using a specific language that it can understand. These languages are known as programming languages. So, in chapter 8, we are going to learn one programming language, that is Scratch. The Scratch has been specially designed for young students to enhance their computing skills. Scratch provides a graphical environment to create the programs. It has inbuilt graphic characters called sprites, to which we can give commands to perform actions in Scratch projects. See, remember that in logo we are giving instructions to the turtle. Likewise, the same way we will do with the Scratch. So let's see the features of Scratch. Scratch is available free of cost, so you can easily download it. It is easy to understand. It increases students' interest in programming by providing the graphical user interface, that is GUI. Instead of writing text or code, predefined blocks are snapped together to create the script. Now, you can download the Scratch from the URL below, that is scratch.mit.edu. The newest version of Scratch is Scratch 3.0. Now, who is the founder of the Scratch? Scratch is developed by the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at the MIT, that is Massachusetts Institute of Technology Media Lab, led by Michel Resnick in 2003, with financial support from the National Science Foundation, Intel Foundation, and the MIT Media Lab. The first official website of Scratch was launched in 2006. So let's download Scratch in our PC. So first of all of you open Google and in the search box type Scratch, download, and then press the enter key. See, the website name scratch.mit.edu will open by clicking on it. This is the website for downloading the Scratch program. Now let's see what are the requirements. It requires Windows 10 Plus, Mac OS or Chrome OS or Android operating system. See, as we are having Windows operating system, we will install the Scratch app for Windows by downloading using the link given below. See, there is a link given direct download. There are two options. You can either go to the Microsoft website or you can use the direct download link. Now click on this direct download link. After clicking on this link, your software will start downloading. Kids, we have already learned the Logo programming language, but in that you have to write all the instructions and then your turtle was moving. Yes? So similarly, the Scratch is the programming language. Here you are not supposed to write down any instructions. The instructions are all ready. You have to just simply drag and drop. So, compared to Logo, the Scratch is very much interesting See, now Scratch is about to download. The little bit time is left. We will wait for it. In logo there was a turtle, but in Scratch there is a sprite. You can insert sprite of your choice, not the simple that turtle. See, now the Scratch is downloaded. So click on that arrow, up arrow, click on show in folder. Now the folder will open. Click on the downloaded file, double click on it. See, the window will open for asking you the installation. In that, choose anyone who uses this computer and then start pressing the button install. After clicking on the install button, your Scratch software will start installing. See. Let it be finished. Done. Now click on the button finish. As soon as you will click on it, your Scratch window will open. See, can you all see that cat? The cat is nothing but that turtle in logo. So here the part 1 ends. Thank you for watching my video.